Welcome back to Customer States. This is a brand new car with absolutely no miles on it, and look how bad the injector ticking already is. Dealership states this is normal.
0 miles. This car hasn't even traveled a full mile yet. This is considered normal.
These are government fleet vehicles which have literally not been driven, but since they service the fleet together, they use your money to chuck out the unused oil, only to put more new oil in. I think this is such a waste. This car's shift knob retracts itself completely while driving. Some people suspect that this will increase distractions on the road. Check out the new anti-theft system on this Kia. It's not exactly a dealer option, and some think this is also illegal.
So I do valet, right? And so, Kia's, pretty easily stolen car right now, Kia's. So I go and, I'm looking at the doors, and, oh shit, it's booby-trapped on all of the door handles. Thanks, Kia.
This customer had the air in their tires checked and after claimed they couldn't tell the difference between the brake and accelerator because of them. They then blamed this on the mechanics.
Okay, there you go. Record. Boom! Floored.
Damn. That Jeep, you saw.
This customer cleaned his brand new truck wheels with paint stripper, and the result shocked no one except for him. This customer asked for his V8 to get serviced and was in for a shock when they found out their tough engine was non-existent engine mounts.
God!
This customer stated that his engine sounded like a video game, and even after installing a new air filter, couldn't figure out the problem. This customer took his BMW in as it was losing oil. To their surprise, it didn't have any leaks. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot.